Ultimate Guide: How to Connect PS4 Controller to PC. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to connect a PS4 controller to a PC. Number 1. Prepare your PS4 controller. Ensure your PS4 controller is charged and turned on. If it is already paired with a PS4, you may need to unpair before connecting it to your PC. Number 2. Turn on Bluetooth on your PC. If your PC has built-in Bluetooth, turn it on. If not, you may need to use a Bluetooth dongle. Number 3. Put PS4 controller into pairing mode. Press and hold the PS button and the share button simultaneously on your PS4 controller until the light bar starts flashing rapidly. This indicates that the controller is in pairing mode. Number 4. Open Bluetooth settings on your PC. Go to your PC settings menu and navigate to the Bluetooth and other device section. Number 5. Pair the PS4 controller. Click on Add Bluetooth or other device and select Bluetooth. Your PC will start searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. Number 6. Select your PS4 controller. Look for wireless controller in the list of available devices on your PC and select it to begin the pairing process. And before we proceed, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Number 7. Wait for pairing to complete. Your PC will automatically pair with the PS4 controller. Once the pairing process is complete, you will see a notification confirming the connection. Number 8. Test the connection. To ensure that the PS4 controller is properly connected to your PC, you can test it by navigating through your PC's menu using the controller. Number 9. Optional. Install additional software. Depending on the games you want to play, you may need to install additional software to configure the PS4 controller for use with PC games. Steam, for example, has built-in support for PS4 controllers, but other games may require third-party software like DS4 Windows or InputMapper. Number 10. Enjoy gaming. Once your PS4 controller is connected and configured, you can start enjoying your favorite PC games using the controller. That's it. Following these steps should help you successfully connect your PS4 controller to your PC for gaming. As our journey on this YouTube adventure draws to close, I want to take a moment to express my deepest gratitude to each and every one of you who have joined me on this magical ride. It has been an incredible experience filled with laughter, learning, and so much more. In the words of Maya Angelou, I have learned that people will forget what you said. People will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel. Your support, encouragement, and kindness have touched my heart in ways I could never fully express. But as we come to the end of this chapter, I am reminded of the wisdom of Albert Schweitzer. At times, our own light goes out and is rekindled by a spark from another person. Each of us has cause to think with deep gratitude of those who have lighted the flame within us. You, my dear viewers, have been that spark, igniting my passion and inspiring me to create content that I hope has brought joy and positivity in your lives. So let us end this journey with humility, gratitude, and a touch of magic. As J.K. Rowling once said, we do not need magic to change the world. We carry all the power we need inside ourselves already. We have the power to imagine better. Together, we have created something truly special, and I am forever grateful for the opportunity to share this magical experience with you. Thank you for being a part of this incredible journey. May your hearts be filled with joy, your spirits lifted, and your dreams always reach for the stars. Until we meet again, stay humble, stay grateful, and keep the magic alive. With love and gratitude.